What's up guys, I'm doing another video because I don't know if the live one went through. I think when I tried to proof it, it didn't work. So I'm just doing two videos, just shooting ski and trap. I'm recording the video. I'm not doing it live because I don't know what the policies are of Facebook offhand. So I'm going to shoot 6 rounds out there, 8 rounds, just let you see it. I'm over at PG County. And that's pretty much it. I don't know how well the video is, but I'm just going to throw it out there. I'm using a delay mode, so no one's pulling it for me. I realized I had another one in there. Alright, last two. Sorry for that second round. It was like I was shooting a single shot. Forgot I had another one in there. Woo. Oh! That's it pretty much. Alright, I'll post this video up. This is the second of 2 videos. PG Ski and Trap. If anyone wants to come out with me, let me know. Only if you're normal. I don't think that's possible these days, what's going on in the world. But, yep, I'm definitely going to try to get a video of me and Justin shooting out. Maybe I'll go to Loch Raven and he'll come down here. He lives pretty far from here. But that's it, all right? Thanks again, guys. Again, if your questions come in, I'm shooting the... I'll get it for you. I'm shooting the Franchi. Yes, I'm saying it like American, I know. It's the SL Sport model. It's their top-of-the-line sport shotgun. 30-inch ventilated barrel, improved cylinder I shoot. This does have ejections. This doesn't shoot like your Stoker, but I shot Stoker and I actually own a Stoker. Stoker, no problems with it as well. But I like this. This is my go-to. And I practice a lot with the shotgun I'm going to use when I do a lot of pickup leaks. That's the one I'm going to shoot with. That's it. All right. Thanks so much. Firearm Convention. Check out. Peace.